been talking about AI, but robotics and other like renewable energy or biotechnology that you think are must knows for young professionals?
Yes,
Do you think?
most definitely. You mentioned biotechnology. I think facial recognition is huge. How to identify a face beyond facial scanning your phone, what a ring camera looks like, beyond the individual, how law enforcement agencies utilize faces in order to do their jobs better. So I think that it is very important to know how to handle biometrics, even beyond faces, even fingerprints, how to process that data, what to do with it, what it looks like, and how can we use biometric information to decrease existing biases that exist in society.
So, rather than pointing to one particular technology, from my perspective, I think the must know is you must know how to apply technology to solve real world problems. Um, that's that's been my career is basically figuring out what are my customers' requirements, what do they need, and then saying, okay, what tools do I have at my disposal, what tools do I need to create, and how do I apply those to solve those problems. If you have that must know how to apply technology to a problem, you will be able to adapt to anything. You be able to grow your career to anything, take advantage of opportunities that you may not have if you just specialize like in one particular thing. There's so many opportunities. There's an opportunity cost to that, right? Uh, Focusing, being able to apply something to your is to me an incredibly important must know.
Yes, and I also agree. Continuous learning. Everything, every day seems to be a new thing or a new gadget or a new technology that we learn about. But the must know is really how to apply that technology to the problem space. It's, as systems engineers, we learned that early on, right? How do you put the different pieces of the puzzle together of capability that is going to answer that or have an answer or solve that particular challenge that our customers are having or society is having as a whole, right? So learning how to apply is the practicality of it rather than go deep into the particular technology because we said it evolves very quickly, especially nowadays.